To the Lighthouse by Virginia Woolf is a complex novel that explores themes of memory, time, and the meaning of life. The novel is divided into three sections: The Window, Time Passes, and The Lighthouse. In the first section, The Window, we are introduced to the Ramsay family, who are spending the summer on the Isle of Skye. Mrs. Ramsay is the matriarch of the family and is admired by all, including the painter Lily Briscoe. Mr. Ramsay is an academic who is preoccupied with his work and his own mortality. Their children, James and Cam, are also present. James desires to go to the lighthouse but is told by his father that the weather will not permit it. The second section, Time Passes, takes place during the First World War, which interrupts the lives of the Ramsay family. The house on the Isle of Skye falls into disrepair, and many of the characters we met in the first section have died or moved on with their lives. The third section, The Lighthouse, takes place 10 years after the events of the first section. The Ramsay family, along with a few guests, returns to the Isle of Skye. This time, they are able to make the trip to the lighthouse, fulfilling James' childhood desire. Along the way, they confront the memories of their past, including the death of Mrs. Ramsay, and attempt to make sense of their lives. Overall, To the Lighthouse is a novel that is concerned with the passage of time and the meaning of life. Through its exploration of memory and consciousness, Woolf offers a unique and introspective perspective on the human experience.